Whenever I coach my clients, especially women clients, and I give them resistance training or weight training, they are very reluctant to do it. Can I just do cardio activities? I do yoga. Do I still need to do resistance training? But I don't want to look bulky, because if I start doing weight training, I will start building muscles. So that will make me look manly. So these are some of the common things, that women try to, reason out with me that they do not need resistance training. Most of the women, they think that muscle is only about aesthetics, it is just about looking good in a physical appearance. But in reality, muscle is like your metabolic engine. For better metabolic health, you need to grow and maintain muscle. So let me give you a few reasons, why you should be actually thinking about, starting weight training, especially if you are a woman. Number one, muscle leads to better blood sugar control. Surprised about this? Your skeletal muscle is the largest glucose tank in your body. What I mean by this is that whenever you eat carbs, insulin is released. The muscle cells, then they absorb the glucose, and this glucose is then stored as glycogen inside your muscles for future use. So if you have more muscle, obviously it means that you will have more glucose storing capacity. This will lead to less sugar spikes and also lower your insulin resistance risk. That is the reason resistance training improves your pre-diabetes, if you have PCOS, type 2 diabetes risk, and also menopausal related symptoms. Second is muscle is equal to higher basal metabolic rate. Now what do I mean by this is that now whenever we are at rest, like for example I am making this video, at this given moment of time also my muscle is burning calories, or rather my body is burning calories to maintain muscle. So if you have more muscle, this means you are going to burn more calories, or rather you have a higher energy expenditure. So now this obviously makes maintaining your weight easy and also prevents fat regain. So if you are trying to lose weight, building muscle is the smart work, not the hard work. Number 3, muscle gives you functional independence. Now post 30, we all start losing muscle as a part of the natural aging process. Now if in your later years, 50s, 60s, 70s, you want to be independent, that is you want to be more mobile, you want to be flexible, without any debate you must build muscle. Muscle is in fact your anti-aging medicine.